Hey guys, it's been a while since we've had number corner, so we're gonna do number corner today. All right, do you guys remember what month we're in? Remember, we went back to the very beginning of the year because we're in a brand new year now. It's 2021. So the first month of the year is January. We're in the month of January. And you know what day of the week it is today? It's Friday. It's the last work day of the week. So it's Friday, January 15th, 2021. Can you say that with me? Today is Friday, January 15th, 2021. Very good. So we've missed a lot on our calendar. We're just going to focus on today's though, okay? We're just going to look at January 15th. So this is on today's card. 15 equals something plus 5. Well, what does the equal sign mean? Equal means the same. So 15 is the same as something plus 5. Let's think about it as a story. There were 15 crayons. Some of them are red and 5 of them are blue. How many are red? Let's think about that again. There were 15 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's the start of our story. There are 15 crayons. Some of them are red and 5 of them are blue. How many are red? Some of them are red and 5 of them are blue. So what do we need to do? Well, we don't know how many are red, but we do know what? 5 of them are blue. So let's imagine that these 5 right here are the blue ones. And we know that there are 15 altogether. So if 5 of those are blue, then how many have to be red? Well, these have to be red. And how many do we have right there? 10. Very good, because we know that 15 is made of 10 and 5. There's the 10, there's the 5. So if these 5 are blue, then these 10 must be red. So 15 equals 10 plus 5. So how many crayons are red? 10 crayons are red. Say that with me. 10 crayons are red. Very good. See, that wasn't so bad, was it? Man, they tried to trick us by moving the hole over there, but we know what equal means, so that wasn't really that tricky at all, was it? All right, let's add to our collection. Remember, we're collecting dimes and pennies this month. Remember, dimes are the little coin. Do you remember how much a dime is worth? Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember your word 10. Again. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember your word 10. And he is the smallest coin, and he's worth 10 cents. We're also collecting pennies. Pennies are the ones that are a different color. Penny, penny, easily spent, it's copper brown and worth 1 cent. Again, penny, penny, easily spent, it's copper brown and worth 1 cent. So, even though we haven't been at school, I have been collecting our dimes and our pennies for this month. And take a look at our graph. Do you remember what kind of graph I said this is? A bar graph. Very good. That says dimes and that says pennies. How many dimes have I collected so far? Can you tell? 10. 5 and 5 is 10, so I've collected 10 dimes. What about pennies? How many pennies have I collected? 4. I've collected 4 pennies. So how many dimes and pennies have I collected all together? 14, because 10 and 4 is 14. Very good. All right, you ready to spin and see what we get today? Okay, you guys got, oh, What did we get? 4 pennies. I'm gonna have to add 4 pennies in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pennies. So I need to color 4 more on the graph. So I'm gonna color 1 more, 2 more, 3 more, 4 more. So we had 4. If I just added 4 more, how many do you think we have for the pennies now? We already had 4 and I just added 4 more. 8. We now have 8 pennies. So look at the dimes and look at the pennies. How many more dimes than pennies? How many more? Well, look. They were the same until right here. Look at that. See? If we would have stopped there, they would have been the same. But look how many more dimes we have. 2 more. So 10 is 2 more than 8. How many dimes and pennies do we have all together? If we have 10 dimes and 8 pennies, how many is that all together? 18. Very good, because 10 and 8 is 18. All right, let's move on over to our days in school. Let's add an X to our days in school. And can you tell how many days we've been in school now? $83. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. So we've been in school 83 days. Now, can you find any numbers hiding inside of 83? I see 80, 8 tenths, and 3. 80 and 3 make 83. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then 3. Do you see any other numbers hiding in there? Ooh, look. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So there's 50. Plus 10, 20, 30. Plus 3. All together, that is 83. Do you guys see anything else? How about this? How much do you see right there? 10, 20, 30, 40. Plus 10, 20, 30, 40. Plus 3. All together, that's 83. 4 tens and 4 tens would be 8 tens, and then 3 more. 83. Very good. How many tens do you see? There's 8 tens, so we could also do 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, and then 3 extra, 83. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 and 3 make 83. Very good. All right, let's come down and do our straws. Okay, remember, our houses go ones, tens, hundreds again, ones, tens, hundreds again, ones, tens, hundreds. So our numbers live in houses, right? We have 3 houses. There's actually more, but we're only going to talk about 3 houses. There's the ones house. And next door to the ones house is the tens house. And next door to the tens house is the hundreds house. And remember, to live in the ones house, you can't be in any bundles yet. To live in the tens house, you have to be in groups of 10. And to live in the hundreds house, you have to be in a group of 100. So I'm going to take one from here and add it over here. So this was 83, but I just took one away. So now it's 82. And this was 82, but I just added one more. So now it's 83. We just kind of switched numbers, didn't we? So let's take a look at the number 83. Who do you see in this house? There's a 3 there. And since it's the ones house, that means 3 ones. Just 3 of these. Let's look next door. What house is this? The 10s. Who do you see living in the 10s house? There's an 8. Now, that is 8 10s. So is this just 8 straws? No, it's 8 groups of 10. Every one of these bundles has 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This is actually 80. So we have 80 here, and we have 3 here. 80 and 3 make 83. 80 and 3 make 83. So we have 83 straws all together. Pretty easy, right? Yeah. So let's look at the magic cards. See if I can find 83. Here's 83. Looks just like this, just like this. 8 in the 10s, 3 in the 1s. Now, this is just 3 ones because there's just 3 straws here. But take a look at the 8. It's really 80 because it's in the 10s house. There are 3 straws here. There are 80 straws here. 80 and 3 make 83. All right, guys, that's all I have today. Thanks for listening. Your secret word is cows. You'll need that in your quiz. Your secret word is cows. Good luck.